Hello and welcome back. I hope you're all well. Just obviously up at the caravan. I've come to do a few little jobs, and one of them is just a bit of maintenance. Obviously the caravan has been stood now for quite a long time, and it saddens me that really, but anyway, it's been sat here since October, was the last time we used it. I haven't done a great deal to it. It does need a bloody good clean because it's a mess outside. The job I've come up to do today is obviously when you close your caravan up for winter, and obviously you close all your windows and you know it's all left and everything. One thing that happens, what I found, is when when you close the windows, when you open the windows again in summer, the seals become quite stiff and rigid, and you know potentially they could split. So what I tend to do is I used to get some silicone wipes and wipe all around the windows, all the seals basically on the windows and on the locker doors and on the door. I also used to use it on the toilet cassette, the lip seal there as well. But I believe you can't get the wipes anymore. Because everybody's going away from this plastic wipe stuff and everything. So they have found, I haven't found, but Tony and Deb told me about this from Caravan Nut, and I've bought some. It's WD, but it's silicone lubricant. So what I'm going to do with this is just spray this onto a cloth and then just go around all the seals on the caravan just to make sure that they're suppled up and you know, they're not cracking. A bit of lube. Let's see how we get on. Just have a look at them, a couple of them, and see, you know, you'll be able to see what I mean. Right, so I'm going to open this window up. It's quite windy today. Just put those down there. Open this window up and lock it off. It's really windy. The seal is quite dry. So what I need to do is just put some spray on that and then rub that in. So let's try and do that. What I'm going to do is spray a bit onto the cloth and then just rub that in on the seal all the way around. Might just spray it onto the seal actually. And just try and get it worked in so it gets all covered in the seals. So I'll do this one and we'll have a look at some of the other seals on the van. So just doing the door seal, got some silicone on my cloth, just give it a good wipe and it's quite soft and spongy now. That's okay. Move on to the window. Just moving on to the bathroom window. I've just opened the window up. You can't really see, but that seal is really dry. So let's get the window propped open and then get some silicone on that. Right, sprayed some onto the cloth. I'm just going to rub that in. Why am I doing it from the inside? Well, I can't reach from the outside. So just giving that good rub round the way around the seal. Just make sure it's clean. Makes it look a bit better as well. So just done this door, the toilet cassette door, and I'm just gonna. You can see the lip seal here. Well, you can see it, but it's quite dry. So I'm just gonna spray some on there and give that a bit of a rub as well to keep that lubricated. Last thing you want is that sticking and ripping and having to repair that. Pop that back in. So once that cassette's back in there, what I do is I open the blade and leave that blade open, so obviously it stops it sticking. A few more windows to do and then that's us done. Right, that's all the windows done now, and all the seals done on the outside. Just a quick job that just helps prevent cracks and damage to the seals, and also hopefully prolongs the life of the seals on the windows and doors and lockers and stuff like that. The Caravan's now coming up to 12 years old, and you know, touch wood, all the seals seem to be doing their job, and I don't think, well, while we've had the Caravan for the last 6 years or so, we've never replaced any of the seals, just by keeping up that maintenance and keeping them nice and supple. Another nice easy job done. Next job is to clean the bloody thing because it's filthy. Thanks for watching, you take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.